Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 is making strange noises during cleaning, this could indicate a problem with the motor or a blockage somewhere in the device. Such noises often happen when debris gets trapped or when the motor starts to fail. Ignoring these sounds can lead to more severe issues, including complete failure of your cleaner, so it's best to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set that includes Torx bits, a soft cloth for protection, and possibly some replacement parts if the motor needs changing. First, ensure your Dyson V11 is unplugged and completely powered off. Lay your device on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Begin by removing the dust container. This usually involves pressing a button to release it. Next, locate the screws that secure the cover of the motor. These are typically Torx screws, so use the appropriate bit to carefully unscrew them. As you do this, be mindful of how many screws you are removing and their positions, as this will make reassembly easier. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off to reveal the motor. You should be able to see the motor housing now. If you notice any signs of wear or damage, that is likely the culprit. To remove the motor, carefully disconnect any wires attached to it. Take note of where they connect to avoid confusion when you put everything back together. You may need to apply a bit of force to pull the motor out, but make sure not to use excessive pressure, as you could damage surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old motor is out, insert the new one, ensuring it's seated properly in the housing. Reconnect the cables, double-checking that everything matches the original configuration. Now, replace the cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly. Finally, reattach the dust container and give your Dyson V11 a quick test run to ensure everything is working correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the filters and inspect the device for debris or blockages after each use. Keeping your Dyson maintained will help extend its life and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.